we have organized, GOACAN has organized this road safety awareness action in collaboration with the Consumer Welfare Cell of VM Salgaonkar College of Law and the Dempe College of Arts and Science here at Miramar to highlight during this Vigilance Awareness Week 2022 about the challenges that the road users, particularly the students and the lecturers of both these colleges, are facing because of two things. One is the lack of proper signage on the roads regarding speed limits, regarding the do's and don'ts for the road users. At the same time, this is a tourist spot. There are so many tourists who are coming here, driving in their own vehicles. Tourist buses are here, but we find that there is very poor signage at this circle. So our effort in today's action is to mobilize the students on the one hand, and from today we will start the program of highlighting with the authorities, that is the Corporation of the City of Panaji, the traffic cell of the Panjim Traffic Police, as well as the Directorate of Transport. So we are hopeful that this action, together with the actions which were held during the State Road Safety Week, will help our student community to be partners in creating the road safety sense among the students and the general public.